Abu Lahab. His real name was Abdul Uzza. Lahab was his title. Lahab means fire. He had two sons, Atba and Atiba. Holy Prophet's uncle Abu Lahab and auntie Jamil both are mentioned in Quran in Surah Lahab. Jamil bint Haris was the sister of Abu Sufyan. Prophet's most enemy uncle was Abu Lahab, Abbas. In 566 AD, he was born in Mecca. He had six sons, Abdullah, Fazal, Ubaidullah, Kasham, Said, and Abdurrahman. His kunyat was Abu al-Fazl. His responsibility was to provide water to Hajis. He accepted Islam after migration to Medina when Prophet ﷺ was going for to conquer Mecca. In 654 AD and 32 age, at the age of 88 years, he died. His funeral prayer was performed by Hazrat Usman. From Holy Prophet's uncle only Hazrat Hamza and Hazrat Abbas embraced Islam. Abu Talib. He had four sons, Aqil, Talib, Jafar, and Ali. He had two daughters, Hani and Rahmania. Jafar's face and character both were similar to Hazrat Mikail. His mother was Fatima Amro bint Az Imran. Zulshira means treatment of relatives. Zulshira was given by Abu Talib to Prophet ﷺ for three times. Jafar was looked after by Hazrat Abbas. Ali was looked after by Hazrat Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Holy Prophet had two real uncles, Zubair and Abu Talib. Zubair died before prophethood. From Prophet's uncle Abu Lahab and Abu Talib did not embrace Islam. Prophet's most kindly uncle was Abu Talib, Abdullah. His real name was Abdullah. In 545 AD, he was born in Mecca. On his birth, Abdul Muttalib sacrificed 100 camels. He belongs to Banu Hashim tribe. His mother was Fatima bint Amro bin As bin Imran Makhzumi. His maternal tribe Nanan was Banu Makhzumi. He used to trade off dates to earn his livelihood. He married with Hazrat Amna bint Wahab. Amna was 6 months pregnant that he went to Syria for trade. He was returning from Syria trade due to severe illness. He died at Medina at the age of 25 years. He remained alive only for 3 months after his marriage. He was buried in Medina in Nabagha Jadi's home. He and his sister Ummul Hakam were twins. His total property were 5 camels, a herd of sheep, and one female slave, Barkat. Slave Barkat's kunyat was Ayman. She also looked after Prophet after his mother's death in childhood. Abdullah had only one son, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now his grave is in Masjid Nabawi from right side.